Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika. And it's been 4 days since I last posted because life has been crazy, but lagi lang din ako nasa labas. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung week ko. So, this journal entry will be a summary of my week and ano yung mga realizations ko. Oh, by the way, I attended a watercolor painting workshop yesterday and ang saya mag-drawing. Oh, 'di ba? Artist yarn. Pero happy ako uh, to unleash this part of me. So anyway, going back to the journal. So, yun yung una kong entry, which is yung natuto ko mag-paint. And sobrang genuine ni Jenny. Siya yung nag-invite sa amin. If gusto nyo din, it's Jenny at Jenny Flores Art. Tama naman siguro. Yun, Jenny Flores Art on Instagram. And sobrang saya mag-painting. Para kaming nag-therapy. Ang saya to express and to explore new things. Ayun, so, lagay ko dito na grateful ako sa kanya because she shared her talent with us. And I hope to meet more people like her and to experience more activities like that. Kasi ang saya talaga. Kasi hindi ko ma-explain yung happiness, but it's so uh, it's so soothing and para talaga ako nag-therapy. Tapos yung connection ay sobrang good, sobrang pure, sobrang genuine na we're just talking about our lives, what we want in life, mga ganyan. And we also met some good souls sa Soul Good. If you haven't been there, sa Greenfield yon, ang sarap ng food nila. It's actually healthy choice ng food. So, ayun. Minsan lang ako makatikim ng mga food na healthy. Tapos, hindi masyadong pricey. Tapos, may lasa pa din. So, if naghanap kayo ng mga ganon, sa Soul Good. And, nakamit kami ng mga good souls doon when we visited. Ang saya kasi I met this one person na nag-i-invest siya sa mga startups. So sabi ko, shucks, I want to be that person in the future. Like, I want to be wealthy enough to be that person na nag-i-invest ka lang sa mga startups. Tapos, natutulungan mo din sila to really start and believe in themselves, diba? Tapos nakaka-excite yung mga plans niya. And that's not my story to tell, pero I hope when that time comes, magkakilala pa din kami, naalala niya pa din ako. Kasi exciting times. Tapos ang na-realize ko ay, grabe, when God remove some people in your life, it will also be replaced with good ones, with genuine souls. And ang saya kasi, di ba nga, you attract who you are. So I feel like, sabi ko kahapon kay Gold, feeling ko, dadating yung time na we will be as wealthy as them and ganun pa din yung heart natin, pure pa din, genuine pa din. Parang everything is a preparation to be that person in the future, 'di ba? So, nakaka-excite. As in, feel na feel ko siya kapon na parang, oh, it's a Friday and I'm hanging out with genuine souls, with people who just want to express, people who just want to give love. And I want to be that person when the time comes talaga na sobrang yaman ko na. And ayun, nilagay ko din dito na I acknowledge my fear of, meron ako ngayon fear of dying, and maybe it's because I feel like Leon is parang just starting with his life. Alam mo yun, yung parang pag grade 1 ka, doon ka palang nagsa-start mangarap, yung mga ganyan. So may fear ako ngayon na mamatay at may mga maiwan kay Leon na burden or basta yun. Yun lang naman yung aking fear. So, in-acknowledge ko lang siya. Tapos, one deep realization that I had is, we actually don't need a lot in life. Parang yung mga na-meet ko kahapon, they are very wealthy in a way na, actually siguro, instead of using the word wealthy, it's more of, they have an abundant life, and they were telling me na you actually don't need a lot. um, I actually pour my money in this stuff, which is simple things. Like si Jenny, parang happy lang siya to do art, happy lang siya to travel, and that's it. Yun na. Tapos yung isa kong na-meet, si April name niya. Si April, nakakatuwa siya kasi all over the world siya. Pero grabe, wala kang mafe-feel na ere sa kanya. Parang out of the 82 provinces in the Philippines, she's been into 77. And grabe, as in sobrang grounded. I want to be that person. Siya na yung isa sa mga life inspirations ko. Namit ko siya kausap ko, shucks! Oh, I really want to be like her someday. And ayun, because I'm seeing that, ngayon ko din kasi nafe-feel na sobrang abundant din ng life ko. And ayun nga, you actually don't need a lot. You just actually have to be present, to give love, to live your life as if it's actually it's as if it's your last day. And more than anything, it is really building relationship with God. Kaya feeling ko ganito ko din tignan ang buhay at ang ibang tao. It's because sobrang deep na ng relationship ko with God. I can really say that because ang dami ng proof sa aking buhay na kasama ko siya in this journey. And wala na, sinurrender ko na talaga lahat sa Kanya. So ayun, I hope this weekend, you find it in your heart to just be present and give love. It may be to other people, but more than anything, to you and to Him. Ayun lang. Bye!